This is 31 Cicada Place. Chris and I bought this 2 years ago for $380,000. It is 2013 now, and we've sold it for $523,000. Since we've been here, I planted these wee trees here. This is my wee orchard. I'm so proud of these orchards. Trust the neighbours start their lawnmower right now. So, big tree. This is one of our cars. That's Chrissy's wee car there. Now we have a side gate, and through the side gate is our berry garden, which I'll show you soon. So let's go for a walk. I planted some grapevines down there. Open. Strange neighbours. Behind the gate. We built these gates ourselves, built them up because of the dogs. Into the back door. I built that shelter there to stop the wind because the sublet would blow straight in. Free gas in here as well, so never used to have gas. One of our cats, Syndrome, fat face. The garage. We've had to clean the garage out for the sale of the house. We loaded up Gemma's garage, which is a double garage, and look, we've still got a lot of stuff. This is my bike. I just got that. We also put this gate in. Now, when we came, this is just lawn. We've got some bricks laid. I threw some speakers up. Here, they're gone now. Very, very enclosed area. Very, very private. Beautiful ferns. We also put the heat pump in. At night, these lights, these trees light up with lights because we've put lights in there. This is our new path we put down about 6 months ago. Upstairs unit. Now this is Chrissy's smoking deck. We built this here to stop the southerly. And it's got a wee window there, as you see the reflection, which helps it stop. If I ever lost Chrissy, we should be out here, sitting, having a beer and a smoke. The doctor doesn't know about the beer, or the smoke in actual fact. We'll go there in a minute. When we first came here, this fence was not straight, but Chrissy decided that she wanted it moved. So we made it straight. Push the tree back a bit, restoring itself. Wasn't happy with the tree being there. And here's another area, recreation area. As you see down the far end, there's a gas fire and a TV, and it's got speakers outside. The door into the main part of the house. Me waving at you. This door here is new. Chris's idea. She wanted to be able to walk out in the mornings, so we put that in. We have affiliation with Buddhas and carvings. This is our berry garden. Christmas time this gets overgrown with berries. Our grandchildren come and help themselves. It's great watching them rather than going in the face when they eat them. That's the gate that I showed you from the front. It's a beautiful house. Very, very proud. Right, let's go inside and see what's in here. This first room is our wee office. That's my wee Chinese desk and the computer. Very relaxing room. This is Chrissy's sewing room. And over there is the laptop. And of course a wee painting that Chrissy's done. Talented young lass. This is our dining area. It's my stuff I left from my motorbike. Everybody talks about these tiles. But they're just beautiful, nice shiny. That's Minnie Moo, looking all happy. That's Molly. Everyone loves the dogs. This is our kitchen. My little heart, my gorgeous woman. We go. Right, and let's go upstairs while we can. It's okay. We did a few alterations in this house. This is into the laundry. As you see, dry wash machine, tub, and the door. Now this here, young Gareth, friend of ours, Gareth and Sonia, they lived in here for a while. Let's just hope they're not home. Oh, beautiful bricks. Gareth spent ages building this to stop for this end of the stairs. Let's go take a look. No one home? Very important to yell out. Right. So this here is a bedroom. Originally Chrissy and I had this as our bedroom. And then we decided that we'll make this into a lounge and kitchen. It's very, very big. It has cupboards. And wee hideaways. Now these wee hideaways, see, down here, it's a wee storage area. Very, very warm up here. As you see, it's a massive room. And we've got some wee hideaways. There's one in here, and another one over there. And there's one behind here, which is big, spacious. It runs the whole length. So this is the upstairs, bedroom one. Here's the other bedroom. So like I said, this is Gareth and Sonia's. They're staying here until their house is built. So this also has storage. Let's take a look. Can the eyes adjust? So this is a wardrobe. And also we go into the closet and there's a hiding area underneath. And there's massive storage in there as well. But you can't see that. Right, this is bathroom upstairs. It's got a beautiful skylight. Has a shower. Ballman with a camera. And the unit. This has got green tiles. We go into the other room. This is a third bedroom upstairs. This is big and spacious as well. Plenty of storage area that's in this house. And out this window here, we can of course pervert the neighbours. Right. With that, just walk downstairs again. The famous wall at the bottom. Since we moved in this house, when we moved in, someone put a CD disc up there on the roof. It's been there the whole time. Out the window, back door. Back. That there wasn't there originally, and we built that. So we had some linen closets inside here. Let's go to the front door. This is hinge on the front door. On the entrance, we've got a fantastic little grandfather clock with quite a few autographs of famous celebrities from throughout the world. We've collected over $40,000 worth of autographs, so it's just a hobby and interest. And so, as you see, we've got a lot of bits and pieces. And just wonder why I'm talking to myself. Around here, the stairs used to go up here. And Gareth took the stairs out and put them around the other way. This is the bathroom. It's absolutely fantastic bathroom. Works toilet. We sold this house not long ago, which now, but Chrissy wanted us to take this vanity unit. She loved it so much. It opens up. The bath was a wee bit small for us. And the shower was absolutely perfect. So we'll have to get another one of those soon. Hence, towel rails, 2 tier aisles. Now, this here, the entrance goes into the lounge. There's many doorways. This is the lounge. Surround sound. It's my bed. We've got that in Bali when we're over there. Right. This here is the wardrobe. We built this wardrobe because the amount of clothes Chrissy provides us for. This is mine. And this is Chrissy's. We've taken a few boxes of Chrissy's away from here. Shoes. She had a shoe rag, several shoe rags. Oops, that's right. There's some more stuff in here. And over that side. There we go. Beautiful. Hence a bit nosy. And now, behind the store, we did away with our hole. We have made a storage area. That's another shoe bag. I don't think they're my shoes. There we go. This is the bedroom, the master bedroom. So, the most important thing, Chrissy and my ownership papers. And of course, every home should have the happy married photo. We have a TV on the wall. Most people do, a map of the world where we've travelled. Bedroom's a small room, but it's comfortable. Minty sits there all day watching for us to come home. And this is the door that leads out onto the balcony. Remember how I said that wherever Chrissy's got lost, I know where to go? Well, gets fire. Sound. Yeah, let's see. Bet she's around here. Damn, the camera is on. And she's not here. She's run away. Oh, that's the tour of the house. There you go. I lied. I said, I bet I know where Chrissy is. She'll be sitting on her seat. I brought the camera out all the way to finish it off, and here you are.
I'm folding washing.
Isn't she beautiful?
As a good woman.
Yes, I win. Okay, bye-bye.